Welcome to a new video where you can take a home tour of Lacey's house. This home adapts perfectly to those who like the rustic style but with all the benefits of technology. Then I hope you have fun watching the video and can inspire them with new decorating ideas. Can you combine living room, dining room and kitchen in one space? One of the most popular approaches, and also the most practical, is to combine all of the social areas in our house into one shared space, creating an open-plan living area that includes the living room, dining room, and kitchen. There are several reasons why creating an open-plan living area that includes the living room, dining room, and kitchen has become a popular trend in modern home design. 1. Increased natural light and spaciousness. By removing walls and barriers between these spaces, natural light can flow more freely throughout the entire space, creating a brighter and more spacious feel. 2. Better social interaction. An open-plan layout allows for better communication and interaction between family members and guests. It also makes it easier to entertain and host gatherings without feeling isolated in separate rooms. 3. Versatile design options. An open-plan layout offers more flexibility in terms of interior design and furniture placement. It allows for seamless transitions between different areas and gives homeowners the opportunity to personalize and customize the space according to their needs and preferences. Barn doors are often used in farmhouse decoration to hide shelves because they add a rustic and charming touch to the space. In the dining room. By using wooden beams and columns, you can visually separate the living room and dining room while still maintaining an open and airy feel. This allows for distinct areas for different functions while maintaining a cohesive design. These natural elements bring a warm and inviting feel to the space. In the kitchen you can find domestic appliances with the latest technology that contrasts with the image of a rustic finish, but by highlighting the beams, columns, cabinets and accessories they manage to together give a cozy atmosphere that follows the cottage style. Dividing the different components of a large bathroom, such as the shower, bathtub, sink, and dressing room, can offer several benefits. Each area of the bathroom serves a different purpose, so dividing them can enhance the functionality of the space. For example, having a designated dressing area can make it easier to get ready in the morning, while separating the shower and bathtub can make it more convenient for multiple people to use the bathroom at the same time. Also, it allows for better storage solutions and helps prevent clutter from spreading throughout the entire room. Remember, dividing the bathroom into different sections can also add visual interest and create a more cohesive design. It allows for different materials, colors, and textures to be used in each area, creating a more dynamic and stylish overall look. Overall, dividing a large bathroom into separate sections can improve privacy, organization, functionality, and aesthetics, making the space more comfortable and enjoyable to use. In the bedroom, a traditional wooden bed adds an element of sophistication and elegance to a bedroom due to its timeless and classic design. Wooden beds often feature intricate detailing and craftsmanship that can enhance the aesthetics of the room. The natural warmth and beauty of wood also create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in the bedroom. Additionally, traditional wooden beds are known for their durability and quality, making them a long-lasting and stylish choice for any bedroom setting.